Good morning all. Am I audible? Please mention audio video is clear or not. Let me check. So welcome all of you. Today we are discussing data interpretation, another data representation tool, tables. Please invite all your friends, let more people join. This is a free course to learn general aptitude for GATE exam and other exams like CSIR, UPSC and other exams also. So please invite all your friends who are preparing for general aptitude test to attend this course. And GATE exam का सारा streams के लिए यह course common है, क्योंकि engineering stream हो या pure science stream हो, aptitude section is common for all. So this is the bio of me, and these are the details of the Telegram channel and WhatsApp group where I give free resources and daily quizzes and all. And there is another dedicated Telegram channel for this course that is there in the description of this video. You can click on it and be part of that Telegram channel to get study materials associated with this course and all other free resources I provide. And CSIR-NET aspirants, this is currently the bestseller book. It is available online. Okay. So today we are discussing how to do questions based on tables. So with questions I will explain, because I don't have to explain what is a table. All of you know what is a table. So, but data given in terms of table, how to interpret them properly, that is what we are discussing in this class. Yeah, yesterday one question we had doubt na, that if time allows towards the end of the class I will discuss that. Some of you also have commented on the video your perspective, which was totally correct. So happy to see that. Continue doing that. You people can mention your perspective for each question in the comments also. Make a try. 3 minutes to try maximum, but in 2 minutes you can finish this question, not a very lengthy question. Okay, most of you got an answer. Let's see whether it is right. The data given in the following table summarizes the monthly budget of an average household. The approximate percentage of the monthly budget not spent on savings. So monthly budget दिया है, food, clothing, rent, savings, other expenses. उसमें savings में कितना spend किया है? How much is spent on savings? 1,500. So not spent on savings is the remaining thing, na? So there are different ways to do this. You can find the total value first. 4,000 plus 12,000, 4,000 plus 1,200 plus 4,000 plus 1,500 plus 1,800. That will be 1,800, 1,200 added 4,000, 3,000, 3,000, 4,000, 7,000, 9,000 and 10,500. 10,500 is the total expense. उसमें savings में spend किया है 1,500. That means 1500 minus 1000, sorry, 10,500 minus 1500 is not spent on savings. Don't miss the word not there. That out of 10,500 into 100 is what you need to find, mathematically speaking. That is 9,000 out of 10,500. 9,000 and these two cancels. 9,000 by 105. 9,000 by 105, how much percentage it is? That is what the question is asking. Did you all understood this? Otherwise, I will tell you one more shortcut to save more time. Anyway, cancel this, what you will be getting. 9. Okay, did I make any mistakes? Yeah, correct only, na? So 9,000 by 105, that percentage we need to find. So calculate it, you will get cancelling by 5, you will get 221 and this will be 1800. 1800 by 21 will be 3 cancels, 7 and 600. 600 by 7, yeah, yeah, you can use virtual calculator, or it is gate exam, you can use virtual calculator. 60 by 7, 81 range itself you will get, 81 percentage. But you can save little more time. Instead of doing this, you can find savings percentage, which is easy to find. Why it is easy, I will tell you. Look at this. 1500 by 10, savings percentage will be how much? 1500 out of 10,500, na? And if you look at this carefully, 1500 into 7 is 10,500. So you can directly cancel it 1 by 7. In previous classes, second class, percentage and fraction connection I have taught in the second class. In this description, you can see the playlist to access that video if you have missed that. So 1 by 7 fraction is same as 14.28 percentage we have discussed. 14.28 percentage. So that 14.28 percentage, one second, did I make a mistake here? Yeah, this is 86 actually. 86 when you cancel it, you can check it, it is not 81, I made a mistake there. So anyway, 14.28 percentage you got now. 14.28 percentage is the saving, that is the percentage of the savings. Spend on savings will be 14.28 percentage. So spend on saving is 14.28 percentage, means 100 minus 14.28 percentage will be the answer now. That is 86 percentage approximately. This is a shorter way. Here the last step, it is not 81, it is reaching 86. I hope all of you are clear. Please respond. Yeah, 85.71. Yes, Swati. All of you clear? And this is the easy way to do this. Directly you can do 100% minus 14.28%. 14.28% कहाँ से आया? 1 by 7 fraction से. 1 by 7 कहाँ से आया? Savings number is 1500, total is 10,500. 1500 by 10,500 is 1 by 7. 1 by 7 fraction is 14.28%. 14.28 percentage savings में spend किया, तो बाकी 86% approximately not savings में spend किया. That is spend on other things. All clear na? And once again telling, gate exam में virtual calculator available है, but if you have help of mental math, that will save more time, because virtual calculator using is not that easy, it will take time. But mental math bhi pata nahi hai, to definitely virtual calculator is better. And in some cases when the numbers are so big, mental math also will be very difficult. At that time you can use the help of virtual calculator. So which is best, according to that you have to decide where to use virtual calculator, where not to use virtual calculator. Try this next question. Straightforward question only, carefully try it. Any answers? B option some of you got. Let's see whether it is right. So question says Mola is a digital platform. Yeah, you can compare it with maybe Ola. That is what they are comparing to. So Ola or any company you can consider. So here Mola is a digital platform for taxis in a city. It offers three types of rides: pool, mini and prime. The given table presents the number of rides for the past 4 months. The platform earns $1 per ride. One ride है तो $1. So what happened in the case of pool? 4 months are there. So 170 pool rides happened in January. 170 pool rides. That means 170 pool rides, $170 will be the earning now, because $1 for one ride. So $170. So $320 in February, $215 in March and $190 in April. So what will be the total earning from pool rides? Adding all these up now as $1 for all the rides for every month. So we can say, adding it up, you will get total as 895. Total pool ride earning will be 895. Similarly, mini will be 110 plus 220 plus 180 plus 70. Adding, you will get 580. Prime will be 75 plus 180 plus 120 plus 90, 465. Did you all understood this much? What is the percentage share of revenue contributed by prime? So prime we know 465, we found it na. 465 for the entire duration. So out of total we need, total when you add you will get 1940. Adding these three, that is a total na. To save time I have given this in slides itself so that it is easy. So here if you manually add it, manually adding is enough na. 170, 320 you can manually add it. Add each numbers. Mendel addition ka classes mein diya hai previous lectures mein. You can check it out in this channel itself. Not in this course but in other lectures where I have explained how to do addition in your mind. Anyway, I hope you got 1940 total rights. That is 1940 is the total earning. 1940 into 1. So prime by total revenue will be 465 by 1940 into 100. That is 23.97. There also if you want you can use mental math looking at the answer options. ये चार options है ना. One option 25 above है, ये दो option 25 above है ना. So 1940 का quarter find करिए. वो 465 से भी थोड़ा ज़्यादा होगा क्योंकि 1900 का आधा 950 970 का आधा 970 का आधा 1000 का आधा 500 है. सो 970 का आधा 500 माइनस 15 होगा. सो 485 होगा. 485 465 से भी ज़्यादा है ना. सो 465 इज लेस दैन 25%. तो ये दो ऑप्शन एलिमिनेट हो गया. लेकिन 16 इज वेरी अवे फ्रॉम इट. दैट इज वाई दिस ऑल्सो कैन बी एलिमिनेटेड. दैट इम्प्रोवाइजेशन यू कैन डू टू अवॉइड यूजिंग virtual calculator here, but if you are not okay with that steps you can skip it because if we cannot spare more time on that. Mendel math use किया तो time यहाँ भी save कर सकता है using options. That is what I am trying to say. I hope it is clear. So option B is the correct answer. Simple na? Yeah, it is time consuming to read and understand and calculate, but it is simple questions. Another table based question where you don't have to calculate anything. It is much easier than the previous question, or no calculation compared to previous questions. Try it fast. Okay, let's see. Some of you got B option. Let's see whether it is right. Students applying for hostel rooms are allowed rooms in order of seniority. Students already staying in a room will move if they get a room in their preferred list. Preferences of lower ranked applicants are ignored during allocation. Given the data in the table, which room will Ajit stay in? First of all, let us check. Senior most person is Amar, na? Senior most person's preference will be taken care of. सीनियोरिटी के अकॉर्डिंग प्रेफरेंस को एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है, तो उसका प्रेफरेंस पी है. सो अमर को पी देना विल नॉट क्रिएट एनी प्रॉब्लम. अमर गिवन पी, दैट मीन्स अमर गिवन पी ऑलरेडी वी अंडरस्टूड. सॉरी, अमर I made a mistake. Amar current room is P. Amar first preference is R, so Amar should be given R, because his first preference will be taken care of. First preferences are, second is S, third is Q, that is a meaning. And Akbar, as Amar already taken R, Akbar ko R nahi mil sakta. Akbar ko R nahi mil sakta. S only can be given. That is also the second preference. So that given, because Akbar is second senior, na? So Akbar can be given S. Now Anthony को एक ही preference है P मिलना, and P is not taken by any of the previous senior persons, so Anthony can be given P, no problem. That means first three senior most people are given rooms R, S and P respectively. So R, S and P given means Ajit should be given Q. Ajit should be given Q. So Q is the answer. It is a super easy question, na? Is that clear, all of you? Very simple question. It is all about understanding the question properly. 2017 GATE exam problem. If that is clear, try the next question, please. Again, a question where numbers are very big. So use virtual calculator at the time of exam. Mental math are still applicable. That also I will give you an idea. Make a try anyway. Okay, some of you got an answer, very lengthy na. Yeah, you have to use virtual calculator, and I will give you some suggestions where how you can avoid at least few steps at least without virtual calculator you can do. I'll show you a table, just a minute. Okay, so listen carefully. A shaving set company sells 4 different types of razors: elegant, smooth, soft and executive. Elegant, smooth, soft and executive are the 4 type of razors they sell. And quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 sales is mentioned here. How many sales? Elegant sells at rupees 48, smooth at 63, soft at 78, executive at 173. हाँ, पिछले question में $1 like that taxi problem, $1 for one ride, but here it is not like that. The price is different for each of it. This many sales, and this is the price of each unit. This many units sold, this is the price of each unit. The table below shows the number of each razor sold in the each quarter of a year. Which product contributes the greatest fraction to the revenue of the company in that year? That means which product have the highest revenue. For your understanding, I have prepared a table. Look at this. This is what is happening. So first you need to do what? Quarter 1 may elegance. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I made a mistake there. This is not here. This is total for elegance. Just a minute. Yes, Prince, I am coming to that itself. That is what I will explain. But first, with virtual calculator, how to do, we will discuss. Just add one more table to understand. Yeah, if you add up, you will get like this. You can check it out. If you add the values, this is what you are going to get, the total and the revenue. Just a minute. Look at this. So elegance, this sum, all 4 quarters together, the sum will be 1,02,510. 1 lakh, sorry, 10 lakh 2,500, 1 lakh 2,510, 1 lakh 2,510. Likewise, smooth will be this, soft will be this, executive will be this. And what is the total revenue? You have to multiply it with each money. Na? Elegance costs 48 rupee. So into 48. If you multiply it, you will get approximately, this is approximately 49 lakh. And 63, yes, 63 से multiply किया तो approximately 50 lakh मिलेगा. ये 78 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 56 लाख मिलेगा. ये 173 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 68 लाख मिलेगा. So among this, which is the maximum share? Executive. So executive is the answer. This is how to do with virtual calculator. That means you have to enter all these and find that value into 48 into 63 into 78 and into 173. ये clear है ना? Question का meaning क्या है और कैसा करना है using virtual calculator? Now we will go with how you can use mental math to do faster calculation or estimation, how you can do. That is what I am going to tell you. Listen very carefully. So look at this. This is 27,000. This is 25,000. This is 28,000. This is 21,000. So 27 plus 25, 52. 52 plus 28, 80. 80 plus 21, 1 lakh 1,000. So approximately 1 lakh. Keep it approximately 1 lakh. Mentally you can add it and keep it approximately 1 lakh. 20,000, 19,000. So keep it like 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 22, 62. 62 plus 18. 80,000. This is 80,000. Is that clear? Yeah. Here also we are getting 80,059. Na? This is 17,000. 17,600. Na? So I am approximating it as 1,800. 18,000. 18,000. 18,000. This I am approximating because half above you approximate to the next 1,000. Half below previous 1000. So 17,000, 18,000 plus 18,000, 36,000 plus 20,000 I am taking. 56,000 plus 16,000, 56,000 plus 16,000, 66, 72,000. So approximately 72,000 you can add it mentally. That is what you are getting, 72,000 something. Na? This is 1 lakh, sorry, 10,000, 9,000, 19,000, 29,000, 39,000. This is 39,000 approximately, 39,284. Na? That is how to estimate. Did you understand this much? Please respond. Virtual calculator use nahi karna hai to aisa kar sakta hai. Now you need to multiply this. Na? Multiply, bina multiplying, you can see this 173 is very big number. Na? 173 is for executive. But one thing is there, executive is 39,000 only. So, first of all, you can eliminate soft anyway, because soft ka 22,000, that is the smallest sales, and the amount for per piece amount is 78. Usse bhi zyada hai na 173. So, 1 unit का price भी executive का ज़्यादा है and total sales भी executive का ज़्यादा है soft से भी. So soft को eliminate कर सकता है. That is clear ना. Pair by pair you eliminate like that. Now the competition is between 80,000 39,000. 80,000 बड़ा है but ये number बहुत छोटा है ना. There are two factors for the overall revenue. What are the two factors? Unit price and sales. So unit price and sales दोनों factor है. Smooth में, listen carefully, smooth में sales is double of executive. So sales में double है, लेकिन smooth का per unit price आधा से भी छोटा है. ये आधा से भी ज़्यादा है तो smooth का total revenue ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. ये फैक्टर डबल है तो ये फैक्टर आधा है तो दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएगा. लेकिन ये आधा से भी छोटा है ना. 173 का आधा क्या है? 85 समथिंग या 85 अबव है. 63 इज मच बिलो देन दैट ना. सो कंसिडरिंग दीज टू फैक्टर्स, 80,000 टोटल स्मूथ cannot be competing with executive. Executive will be much more than smooth total sales. Are you understanding that idea? Please understand these kinds of reasoning. If you are fluent with this, definitely this can save time over virtual calculator. So this is also eliminated. Now elegance is 1 lakh, that is more than double of 40,000. But elegance amount is 48,000, that is less than quarter, sorry, almost quarter only of this. Almost quarter only of this. तो ये फैक्टर में यूनिट प्राइस में क्वार्टर है एलिगेंस का, और क्वार्टर है तो ये ऑलमोस्ट 4 टाइम्स है तो एलिगेंस बीट कर सकता है एक्सिक्यूटिव को. लेकिन 39,000 का डबल से थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, मतलब 3 टाइम्स भी नहीं है. दैट इज हाउ टू थिंक अबाउट इट. 39,000 या 40,000, 40,000 का 3 टाइम्स 1,20,000 है ना. 1,20,000 से भी छोटा है. सो 3 टाइम्स भी नहीं है, लेकिन ये 48 का 3 टाइम्स से भी ज़्यादा है ना 173. दैट इज इनफ टू से दैट elegance also can be eliminated. Can you all tell me how many of you understood that reasoning idea I told you now? That is how you can use estimation idea without any calculation, without any paper math or without any virtual calculator. You can estimate it. If you are not okay with that, I already have given the backup plan. Virtual calculator use करिए, but at least last step में total values नहीं लिखना है, just अप्रोक्सीमेट करना काफ़ी है. 48 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 63 से, 78 से, 173 से. ओके, दैट इज क्लियर आई गेस. लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ट्राई द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑल ऑफ यू. Thank you, Arju. Happy to know. Try it fast, all of you. Okay, so some of you got option D. Let's see. So here you should be careful. The data is giving the cumulative value. Electric bus has onboard instruments that report the total electricity consumed since the start of the trip as well as the total distance covered. Total it is mentioned. During the single day of operation, the bus travels on stretches M N O P in that order. So there are 4 regions M N O P. The cumulative distance traveled. Cumulative distance का meaning क्या है? M stretch cover करने वक्त 20 किलोमीटर totally cover किया. N stretch cover करने वक्त 45 means 20 plus 25. That means N stretch में separately 25 only. M and N together is 45. That is the meaning. And the 75 is M and N and O distance together. And this 100 is M and N and O and P distance together. Similarly, corresponding electricity means 12 is after M is completed, 12 kilowatt energy was used. After M and N is completed, that is the meaning of cumulative data. M and N मिला के 25, M and N and O मिला के 45, M and N and O and P मिला के 57. That is why it is just increasing. Did you all understood? Like in a speedometer, you go from your home to railway station, from railway station back to home. So the cumulative distance will be shown, na? It is not 0, it will be 10 kilometer plus 10 kilometers, say. So that cumulative distance, we need to first convert it into individual distance and individual electricity. So cumulative distance 20 है तो individual distance stretch M में 20 ही होगा, stretch N में 45 minus 20 25 होगा, O में 75 minus previous two values का sum 45 है. So 75 minus 45 करना काफ़ी है. O का separately find करना, क्योंकि यह 75 में M and N and O है. So M and N नहीं चाहिए individual distance के लिए. So 30. So यह 100 पे यह 75 है, that is M and N and O and P है. M and N and O subtract करने के लिए 75 subtract करना काफ़ी है. So that is 25. Are you all understanding individual distance how we found? Please respond. From the cumulative data, we are cumulative frequency, we are finding the frequency. In school days you have learned that in detail. Similarly, electricity used is given, individual electricity find करना है. तो ये M stretch में 12, so individual electricity भी 12 है because it is only M stretch. And N stretch में cumulative data 25 है, so M and N together 25 है. So 25 minus 12, 13 will be the individual electricity in N stretch. Similarly, O stretch में 45 minus 25, 20 and P stretch में 57 minus 45, 12. Please respond, इतना clear है? Individual electricity and individual distance ना clear है ना? Okay, इतना clear है तो listen very carefully. Stretch where the electricity consumption per kilometer is minimum. Electricity per kilometer means electricity, individual electricity divided by distance. So the required ratio will be for M stretch 12 electricity used, 12 kilowatt electricity used for 20 kilometer. So for 1 kilometer is 12 by 20 na, 12 by 20, 20 kilometer के लिए 12 electricity. So 1 kilometer के लिए 12 by 20 electricity. 1 by 20th of 12, that is the meaning. Similarly 13 by 25, individual values you need to compare. Similarly 20 by 30. Similarly 12 by 25, 12 by 25. इसमें क्या चाहिए, मिनिमम या मैक्सिमम? मिनिमम पूछा है, स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू. So यहाँ भी you don't have to actually, yeah, mathematically speaking you have to multiply this by 100 and which percentage is smallest you need to find. But how to save time? Mental math. Smallest पूछा है ना, आ smallest is asked 13 by 25, 12 by 25, denominator दोनों का सेम है ना, denominator दोनों का सेम है. So numerator 13 ज़्यादा है 12 से, so denominator same है तो larger the numerator, larger the fraction. So 13 by 25 is larger than 12 by 25, so 12 by 25 को eliminate कर सकता है, 12 by 25 को eliminate कर सकता है. Sorry, larger नहीं चाहिए, my mistake, smaller चाहिए. So 12 by 25 you can keep, 13 by 25 को eliminate कर सकता है, 13 by 25 को eliminate कर सकता है. Did you all understood that? Because we want minimum ना. Now 12 by 25 का meaning क्या है? 12 out of 25, so 24 out of 50. That is 48 out of 100. When you see that itself, you should understand 25 का 4 गुना 100 है, so 12 का 4 गुना 48 है, तो ये 48% है. वो easily when you look at it itself you can say. Similarly 12 by 20 is 6 by 10. 6 by 10 is 60% na. Without actually mathematically calculating, you can just look at it and say this is 60%. 60% 48 से भी ज़्यादा है ना, ज़्यादा वाला वैल्यू नहीं चाहिए. ये 2 by 3 है ना, 2 by 3 I have told before. Every fraction have a corresponding percentage. Second lecture में check out that. So 2 by 3 is 66.66%. We already discussed. वो 48 से ज़्यादा है ना, तो 48 is the smallest. So P is the stretch. All of you understood? That is how mental math will help. So if that is clear, try the next question. Table based question. Many were asked. Carefully analyze it, please. It's actually a simple question. Only problem is too many data is given and most of them are unnecessary data. That is how they trick you many times by providing irrelevant dummy data. So I'll explain. The number of students in a class who have answered correctly, wrongly or not attempted each question in an exam are listed. So answered correctly 21 students are there. Answered wrongly 17. Sorry, question number 1 itself 21 people correctly answered, 17 people wrongly answered, 6 people not attempted. That means from that itself we can say 21 plus 17 plus 6, because either attempt hoga ya attempt nahi hoga ya wrongly attempt hoga. Sorry, either correctly attempt hoga ya wrongly attempt hoga ya not attempt hoga ना. ये तीनों के अलावा और कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Not attempted also included in the list na, so there is no other possibility na. So 21 plus 17, 38 plus 6, total 44 questions are there. That we understand. Sorry, 44 students are there, not questions. 44 students are there that you can get from this first question data itself. Second question add करके भी check करिए 44 ही मिलेगा. All these are going to be 44. But first question number itself is enough to say total 44 students are there. Among 44 students, 21 correctly attempt, 17 wrongly attempt, and 6 not attempt this first question. Similarly, second, third, fourth, and fifth question. Mark for each question are also listed. So, 2 mark for a correct answer. Wrong answer, is there any negative mark? No. No negative or partial marking. What is the meaning? That means this 17 questions does not give any mark, or that will not contribute to the average mark at all. We need the average of the marks obtained by the class. Na? That means only thing we need is these 2 tables. Remaining are not needed. Yeah, remaining were needed initially to find 44 students are there. Yes, that is needed. But for that we want only one row. ये 27 2, 29 4, 18 3, 12 2 और 12 1 वो सब irrelevant data है. So average mark के लिए total mark find करना है divided by total students ना. Total students. So total mark कितना होगा? 2 into 12 ना. 2 into 12 because 21 questions correctly but 2 mark each. So 2 into not 12, 21. 2 into 21 plus 3 into 15 plus 1 into 11. You don't have to write the steps. You just have to do 2 into 21, 42. But just to make you understand, I am telling 2 into 23 and 5 into 31. Divided by total number of students, we already found 44 are there. 44 students are there. So adding all these, you will get what? 42 plus 45 plus 11 plus 46 plus 31 into 5, 155 divided by 44. Yeah, you can use mental math or paper math to divide it, or you can use options actually. Options also you can use to get faster value. Anyway, when you divide it, you are going to get approximately 6.8. 6.8 you will get when you divide it. Total sum is going to be, I think, 250, 260 something you will get in the numerator. You can check it out. Sorry, 300 above. Whatever, you can add it up and check. That divided by 44, 6.8, that is 6.795 is the answer. That calculation part please do. Yeah, they are doing using virtual calculators. Okay, if you want you can use that. Otherwise 155 plus 45, 45, that is 200. 200 plus 46, 246 plus 42 plus 11. ऐसा add करके check करिए, almost 300 मिलेगा by 44. And there you can use options. 300 by 44 anyway 2 point something मिलेगा, नहीं मिलेगा, वो 8 point भी नहीं मिलेगा. So among the options only option is 6.795. ऐसा improvisations कर सकता है. Yeah, this is another table. Okay, meanwhile I just want to ask, you can try the question also. So either today evening or tomorrow I will conduct the last lecture in the non-verbal ability. As promised, 40 lectures in non-verbal ability was scheduled. All the 40 lectures will be completed by today evening if possible, otherwise tomorrow. So like to hear your opinion about this course. Those of you are watching this live or recorded after this class, please take your time to comment on this video what you felt about this course, or if possible I will share in group also a link where you can tell what you felt about the course. Yeah, for me there were many struggles to manage time, but somehow I did it to complete the non-verbal ability part. Verbal ability abhi bacha hai. As I told yesterday, verbal ability I have talked to one of the professors who will try to teach. If in case he is not able to, I will take class. So those 10 classes also will be completed. Non-verbal ability 40 lectures and verbal ability 10 lectures. That is what I have scheduled, and all those will be completed. Non-verbal we will be completing today or tomorrow itself. Verbal will be starting today or tomorrow itself. That is the plan. So, and before your gate exam, that will also be completed. And those of you are watching recorded, I don't think you people had any trouble, because live sessions only daily I could not conduct. Recording as per your wish you were watching. So hope you got a good experience by attending this course. Like to know more about it, in the comment of this video, or and you can post it in the reviews also, which I will try to share a link in the groups so that I can know what you felt about the class, and so that others can also know, because that will help others to decide to watch these free materials and more free courses. Not only me, this will encourage more educators to give more free classes. So that will be very good if you can mention if this course was useful or not, because that will help others to know more about it, and that will help YouTube to know that such kind of content should be promoted. So happy to hear, Digvijay. Thank you for the good words. Yeah, many of you have let me know already. Thank you so much for that, what you felt about the course, and so happy to know that it helped in your preparation. And after your gate exam, please let me know how you were able to do the exam. Yeah, sometimes all question you may not be able to do that confidently. That is all fine. Some questions you may make mistakes. That is all normal, part and parcel of exam. But after exam, please let me know how did you do the general aptitude part, or how did you do your gate exam in general. Okay, so I'll explain this question. Some of you got an answer for this. Okay. So here, just like Suhan, which class timing? Class timing, most days it is 11 o'clock itself. Some days it will be evening. So follow this channel. You will click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. You will get update whenever I go live. That is the easiest way. Or there is a dedicated Telegram channel link in the description of this video. Clicking on that link, you can be part of the groups, and you will get all updates and free study material. After every class I provide the free study material. Few pending study materials will be provided today. So those free study materials also you can access through the Telegram channel. That means notes, solutions, extra practice questions included, free study materials are there for all these topics. So make use of that resources also, and spread the word. Let more people know. If you think that more free courses should happen, the best way is spread more free courses. Then educators will also be encouraged to give more free courses. Not only me, any educator, there should be an encouragement for him to give free courses. Yeah, for big channels I agree, there will be YouTube revenue also, but small channels like this, YouTube revenue is not the encouragement that will keep the educators give such courses. It is an encouragement from the students, that students are getting benefited. If they are not getting benefited, that also should be mentioned. But if you are getting benefited, please don't just pass away just by attending the class. Just let us know what you felt about the class. And if you didn't benefit from it, that also you can mention that the class was not effective. We are ready to accept criticisms or accept what we need to correct also. So you are free to mention what you felt about the course. So please take your time to do that. That is a gentle request to all of you, as the course is also getting over, or non-verbal ability course is getting over in 2 days. So, or in one more lecture. Please do that before the end of the course. Live and recorded attending students, I am telling this too. Okay. So in a survey, 300 respondents were asked whether they own a vehicle or not. If yes, they were further asked to mention whether they own a car or scooter or both. So in that survey, 20 people didn't have a car. Sorry, 20 men didn't have a car. Do not own a vehicle. 20 men and 50 women were there. But the remaining people who had a vehicle, there were 3 category of people. So the people who had car, people who had scooter, and people who had both car and scooter, and men and women, that way it is mentioned. What percentage of the respondents do not own a scooter? Do not own a scooter means They own a car, they do not own a vehicle. These two category we need, na? Are you getting the point? Please respond. Car on, yeah, here actually it is not clearly mentioned, but the meaning is this is car only owning people. This is scooter only owning people, because both, it's a survey, na? Overlapping will not happen. Overlapping data will be there, like Venn diagram chapter we discussed, na? There overlapping data, double counted region, how to remove and all we discussed. But this is car only, this is scooter only. Men and women is also mentioned. So car only, scooter only is mentioned. So car only men will be 40, car only women will be 34. Scooter only men will be 30 and scooter only women will be 20. So what is needed? What percent of the respondents do not own a scooter? Do not own a scooter are the car only people and no vehicle owning people. That is 40 plus 34, 74. 20 plus 50, 70. So 74 plus 70, that is 144 people are like that. Out of what? What percentage of the respondents means total respondents का number चाहिए ना? Total respondents का number या total men और total women का sum होगा ना? 40 plus 30, 70, 130, 150 and 34 plus 46, 80, 100, 150. So 150 plus 150, 300 respondents are there. So 150 out of 300 into 100 is the mathematical expression. Or when you get 144 by 300, 144 by 300, you can think like 150 by 300 is 50 percentage. 144 is 6 less than that. 6 compared to 300 is 2 percentage. So 2% compared to subtracted from 50 percentage, 48%. But that mental math, if it is difficult for you, use this paper math. Maybe 5 seconds only extra you will take. So cancelling 100, 144 by 3, 48 percentage. It was a numeric answer type, that is why options are not visible. So I hope it is clear. Then maybe one more question we'll discuss. Try this question, all of you. Next class we will be discussing miscellaneous question. Yeah, that doubtful question, that also we'll discuss in the miscellaneous question session. Sure, yes, verbal ability also will be started soon. Thank you, Omkar. So happy to hear, Diksha. Thank you, Preeti. Thank you, Deepak. So happy to hear. Thank you all of you for your good words. Question is quite straightforward now. Option C some of you got. Let's see. So question is straightforward, just addition. You have to do arithmetic, that's the only thing. Which two countries contributed to the 1/3 of the total number of tourists who visited India in 2011? So total number of tourists will be sum of all this now. When you add it up, you will get 13,500. Are you getting that? 13,500. Uska 1/3 of 13,500 means 4,500 na? 4,500. Question is asking which two countries contributed 1/3 of total number. So exactly 4,500. Use each option. Option A is saying USA and Japan. 2,000 and 2,400. Adding 2,000 and 2,400, you will get 4,400. Similarly, USA and Australia. Take from the table and add it. It cannot be more simple than this. 2,000 plus 2,300. 4,300. Yeah, it is a tiring process to add it again and again. That's the only thing. Question is so silly. School level question. So 3,500 plus 1,000. 4,500. 2,400 plus 2,300. 4,700. So these are the four options. So which is matching with 4,500? Option C. Very simple, na? Very simple question. So that is how to do this question. I think we can complete the session here. More question for your practice I am giving here. I'll share the PDF of this questions also. This is a hybrid question. We'll discuss few more questions like this tomorrow. Yeah, mathematical graphs are also asked. That also we'll discuss in the next class. Either today evening or tomorrow. That is mathematical graphs means some line graphs, but some modulus idea or some function idea is needed. That also I will show you. Not many questions, but few questions were asked. So these homework questions also please try. And if you felt this class is useful, do hit the like button. Do share this video to maximum people. Do share this playlist to maximum people. Now there is like 15 days or 10 to 20 days for GATE exam according to which subject you are. So share this video playlist to maximum people so that they can also prepare for their GATE exam with this free content. Many people may not be able to understand that there is free content. They feel that they think that there is only paid videos, but this is a completely free course we are about to complete. So please spread the word for the next year. In case anyone is starting preparation, like those who are doing engineering now or those who are doing M.Sc now and planning to do GATE exam preparation for 2024, for them also this course is equally useful. Only the 2023 previous year questions will not be there. All the rest will be same. That previous year question I will add as some extra sessions in this playlist itself when the exam is completed. Yeah, after the exam, if you remember any question, please send it to me after your GATE exam. I will discuss that in a YouTube video so that you can get to know whether your answer were right and you can get to know how to do a question, because it will be useful for other exam preparation, because with GATE exam or other exams also you are preparing, so that analysis will be good. So happy to hear, Preeti. Yes, thank you, Sahana. Thank you all of you for the good words. So, and those of you are watching this recorded also, do let me know what you felt about the course through the like button and through the comments. Mention, take your time to comment if possible. That will help others to know whether this course is effective for them. What you felt, genuine comments only you have to put. What you felt about the class, you can mention that. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. See you all in the next class, either today evening or tomorrow. And verbal ability also either today or tomorrow we are planning to start. We'll update you very soon through the group. And the remaining study materials, download them maximum by today evening. I hope I will be able to compile all of them, all the pending study materials in the group. In the description of this video, you can get the link to access that group and the playlist and other free resources. Durga, we are planning to start it either today or tomorrow itself. Evening time, will update in the groups.